The Fisherman and the Millionaire. Once upon a time, there was a fisherman named Tom. He lived in a small village by the sea. Every day, Tom went out on his small boat to catch fish. He was happy with his simple life. He had a small house, a loving family, and a few friends. One day, a millionaire named Mr. Smith came to the village. Mr. Smith was very rich and owned many businesses. He saw Tom sitting by his boat, relaxing after his day's work. Mr. Smith asked Tom, "Why don't you work harder and catch more fish?" Tom smiled and asked, "Why should I catch more fish?" Mr. Smith replied, "If you catch more fish, you can sell them and earn more money. With more money, you can buy a bigger boat and catch even more fish." Tom nodded and asked, "Then what?" Mr. Smith said, "With a bigger boat, you can catch more fish and make more money. After some time, you can buy more boats, start a fishing company, and become very rich like me." Tom asked again, "And then what?" Mr. Smith smiled and said, "Then you can relax and enjoy life." Tom laughed and said, "But I am already relaxing and enjoying life now." Mr. Smith was surprised. He realized that Tom was happy with his simple life. He understood that sometimes having more is not always better. Tom taught him that true happiness comes from enjoying the little things in life. From that day on, Mr. Smith thought more about what truly made him happy. And Tom continued to live his simple, happy life by the sea. The end.
Are you ready? Let's go. Where did Tom, the fisherman, live? What did Mr. Smith suggest Tom should do to earn more money? Why did Tom not want to catch more fish and make more money? What did Mr. Smith realize after talking to Tom? How does the story show the difference between Tom and Mr. Smith's ideas about happiness?